My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about where you sit in the courtroom when you have to go to court. Okay, this may seem like a simple topic, but it may not be self-explanatory to some people. So when you get to the court, hopefully you're not late. Please don't be late. They open up the courtroom. What I recommend to you is get as close as possible to the front and get towards an aisle, which can be hard to do, so that you can get in and out quickly and up to the front if they call your case up, okay? You can sit at the back if you're a back row person, but I would recommend be able to get up to your feet and to the front as quickly as possible, okay? There is what we call a bar in most courtrooms, okay? And it's a bigger kind of divider between the front of the courtroom and the back. And attorneys take the bar exam that if they pass, they get to go in front of that bar and sit. That's where that terminology came from. And when your case is called, if you have an attorney, some of them will have you sit at the table next to them, one of the counsel tables they're called, or the judge may not care and just have you come stand in front of him or at the podium while you talk about your case. If you're sitting at one of the counsel tables, typically they have the defendant, even if there is no jury, sit at the table furthest away from the jury box. So if the jury's over here, the defendant will sit at this table every single time and the plaintiff will sit at this table every single time. And lots of times they do that even when a jury's not in there. So when the judge, who doesn't necessarily know what's going on in a case, knows right off by looking at them, that's the plaintiff, that's the defendant. So they don't have to think about it and say, okay, what side of the case are you and what side of the case are you, okay? But as far as sitting in a courtroom goes, not much to it, but get in a position where you're able to pay attention and get up to your feet quickly when your case is called. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.